right, gang, so we got a host of goodies in here. Of course, as you know, when Samsung releases a new phone, they have great promotions allowing you to get other Samsung products at a very good price or with a lot of discounts. So of course, you know, I had to get some extra goodies because I love the Samsung product line. So let's see what we got in here. We'll get to that in a second. Where is my... That's my buds. Where's my freaking watch? Z Fold 3 Galaxy Buds Pro. I gotta get online and see what my watch at. Cause I ordered the watch too, and my watch ain't here right now. Okay, so we got to see about that. But I got my SIM card right here. We're gonna check that out. Get to that. And I got my phone right here. So let's get this phone opened up and see what's going on with the phone, okay? So beautiful, gang. Beautiful. So beautiful. Look at that. Immaculate. All right, so with this one, I opted to get the 512 gigabyte version, which only comes in black, opposed to me getting the shiny silver one, which only is 256, like I did with this one. I wanted the rose gold, which is only 256 gigs. So this time I thought smarter, go with more memory for only $100 more. All right, so that's what we did, gang. That's what we did, and it's a beautiful looking phone, okay? So let's get it out of this packaging and see what else we got going on with it. Let's see. Voila. Oh shoot, I ain't even got my case. I ordered a case and everything. What the heck going on? I ordered a case, earbuds, and a watch. I need to go back and look and see what's up. All right, so yeah, that's that thing right there. I'm curious. Nah, it's not gonna work because these cameras are different. So I won't be able to use my previous case on this one. Oh man, so the feel of it off the jump is a reminder of, well, I mean, this one still has it still haven't lost its hinge durability. It's still holding pretty good at whatever point you put it. So I'm not gonna knock it on that. God damn. All right, gang, so let's go and get this baby powered up and see what's going on with it. All right, let's get this trash out of the way. Don't need no distractions from this masterpiece of a phone. Get all of that over there. So, I mean, the boxing is so simplicity, so simple, gang. It's like nothing literally in here. They don't give you anything with these expensive premium phones to cut down on the cost. You don't even get a charging base. You just get the charger. Crazy. Okay, so that's why they offer the base online. What the heck? Okay. So I guess I'll buy another base since they don't offer you a base anymore. So let's go ahead and get the SIM card thrown in here. All right, so it comes with a SIM card removing tool. You just take that baby, prop it over here to the side, and push it in this little pinhole right here. And that pops out of there. And then you're able to remove this and place your SIM card inside. So with that being said, let's throw the SIM card in here. There we go. All right, gang, so we're gonna pop out our SIM card. It has 3 different ways you can pop it out based on the size of your phone. We're gonna pop it out to the smallest degree. Being that we have the little tiny micro slot here for the SIM card. You're gonna place it in exactly as it indicates on the pictogram. And goes like so. All right, so now we're gonna place it back in our phone right here. All right, there you go. It is now placed back inside. We're gonna power it up. Pretty much the power button right here on the side. Press it one time. Let's see if that does it. If not, we'll hold it a little bit. Let's go ahead and hold it down. See if we can get some power to this baby. There we go. She's powering up now, as you can see. All right, so we got the phone. The phone is coming up right now. You can see it's on both screens. Pretty dope. While we wait on that, we're just looking inside of this watch box to see what comes. I'm sorry, inside of this the buds box to see what comes with the buds. Android is still currently starting up. It comes with some additional cushions. And it comes with a USB-C cable. All right. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and start this setup right here. I've read everything. I'm ready to start this thing up. Let's get to it. It also has a little screen protector on here as well, but it's on here a whole lot better than the previous one. It doesn't look like the previous one did. The previous one looked like you had a cheap screen protector on it. This one doesn't, and it feels a little bit smaller than its predecessor, the Z Fold 2. All right, so I mean, as you can see though, this one feels heavier for sure. This one feels lighter. You can tell the difference just holding it in your hand. You can see right here, just looking at it, the difference in the width of the hinge. This one feels more bulkier compared to this one. This one feels almost flush. I mean, just look at the difference in the hinge size. Big difference. All right. Other than this phone is heavier, it still has the microphone placement, speaker placement in the same place. As you can see, you have bigger speaker grills here, so that's probably saying that we got a little bit bigger sound that might be coming out of this baby right here, but it just feels so much lighter compared to this previous phone. It's crazy. I mean, when you think there's no room for improvement, they come at you with more stuff and just surprise you every single time. All right, so when it's open, nice and flat. Got the same thing going on here. It's nice and flat as well when it's open. But something about this other phone this newer model just feels so much better. I mean, I can't explain it. I'm trying to put my hands on it, but and maybe it's just with the weight of the phone, it just feels so much better again. All right, so we're just trying to get past this startup menu so that we can get into the phone to see how things are with this phone. So let's see, and get all that data onto the phone. So that's the benefit of having this cable that comes with the phone, is it's a USB-C on both sides, allowing the Smart Switch process to be even faster than over the air because you have a direct connection to your other device, which is going to be a lot faster as far as data transfer speeds. So definitely a plus in that arena for us guys. Let's go ahead and get these two babies connected to each other and go from there. All right, so it's cool. It's charging this phone off of this one. Choose an app for the USB device. I'm gonna use that app just once. Agree. Cable. I'm gonna Smart Switch. Allow. We're gonna change it. We're gonna move everything over. Allow. Transfer your data. What should this phone do? Send data. We're gonna send data with this phone. All right, so this is gonna be our receiving device. Check your own phone to start the data transfer. Allow access to phone data. We're gonna allow that, and it's connecting the transfer. As you can see, it's already moving at a pretty high rate of speed. Oh, it's scanning right now. It's just scanning, searching for data to transfer, connected to Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. All right. So it's just scanning media files so that we can find what we want to transfer over. I'm of course going to select everything because I want all of my data from my previous phone moved over to my higher capacity phone. I shouldn't have any problem with getting everything on this phone. So select data to transfer. We're going to transfer everything. Let's see what we can't transfer. There's certain things on here we might not be able to move over, like things that came on the phone from the factory, which I can understand that. But we're gonna get everything else on here. So we're done with that. Everything is selected. We're gonna transfer everything. 105 gigs, guys, and it's gonna take only 37 minutes tops. All right, transfer your accounts. Transfer your Samsung account or Google account to your new phone. Unlock your old phone and tap copy. Copy to your new device. We're gonna hit copy. Unlock to continue setting up your device. Copying your accounts. All right, gang, it says copying everything over. Samsung.com. You can go there, click on Z Fold 3. It's going to tell you all the specifications on this phone that you want to know. All I know is while we're here, we can go and take a look at the cameras real quick. Can't use flash while OTG is connected. Okay, I didn't actually use a flash. It's looking for stuff, man. It's looking for stuff right now. As you can see right now, though, that zoom looks awesome on this phone. All right, so we're going to open up the screen on this one right here and see what the camera looks like as well. All right. All right, there we go. So I'm seeing right there some differences already. As you can see, the Z Fold 3 camera is hitting real good right now. As you can see, it seems to be more detail in the image compared to the Z Fold 2's camera, and they're both in the exact same zoom and everything right now, because you can see the lines do match up on both phones. Get away, go. All right, everything matches up, and there's just so much more detail in the Z Fold 3. So definitely seeing that right now. As you see, we still have the ability to allow the person on the other side of the camera to preview what's going on. As you can see right here, there's a preview. What you're seeing right there is what I'm seeing on this other side right here. Okay, and isn't that beautiful? Let's go over here and see what we see over here. All right, let's flip this to the all right, gang, so you seeing that difference right there? Yeah, it looks a whole lot better, man. I'm telling you, it's Z Fold 3, they did something different, but things are looking real good in the Z Fold 3 compared to the Z Fold 2. It just looks like more detail is in the picture. I don't know what it is. Is it some optimizer that they're using or something? Because it does look a little bit more crispier on the Z Fold 2, so it's definitely got to be something in the software that I have enabled on this new phone and not enabled on the old phone. So we're gonna go back to that another time, but the picture is definitely a lot more crispier in the Z Fold 3. But man, I'm not gonna keep you guys all day talking about this phone, man. It's just so much to learn about this phone that you can easily get from looking at one of these other guys' videos or just going to Samsung.com. I just want you to experience my experience of unboxing this phone together, man. Love, peace, and harmony. This is your boy C-Spec Kurt, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please put a like, a share, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned, man. We got more to come. I'll be following back up with some more information on the phones and, you know, whatever I can find out about them, man. But in the meantime, I'm gonna get ready to wrap this up. Something I do notice right now is the indentation on the Z Fold 2 is deep compared to the indentation right here on the Z Fold 3. It's pretty much flat on the Z Fold 3. Over here on the Z Fold 2, you can feel it and you can see the dip a whole lot better than you can on the Z Fold 3. Wow, it's crazy. It's like night and day. So yeah, that's another thing that I noticed. So much more to learn about the phones, man. So much more. But in the meantime, I'm about to be out of this piece, man. I'll see you guys on the next video. It's your boy C-Spec Kurt. Bye now. Peace.